Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll show you how to export WhatsApp web chats step by step. First, open your browser and go to WhatsApp Web. Make sure you have a stable internet connection and log in by scanning the QR code with your phone if needed. Next, search for and install the extension WayExport. Export WhatsApp chats and contacts from your browser's extension store. Once installed, you'll see its icon in the toolbar, usually at the top right. Now, select the chat you want to export. It can be a conversation with a friend, a group, or family. Click the WA Export extension icon to open the exporting options. Choose a date range for the messages you want to export, whether it's the entire chat history or a specific period. Then select the file format you prefer, such as HTML, CSV, or TXT. Finally, click Download to save the chat to your computer. Your WhatsApp conversation is now exported and ready for future reference. And that's it. By following these steps, you can easily export any chat from WhatsApp Web. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.